Wow, what a show.
Oh, it was absolutely awesome. The stars were brilliant. All the actors were amazing.
What was our favourite bit with the car, Theo?
When it flies.
They genuinely pulled it off so well. I was shocked in my seat, like a jaw-dropping experience.
Brings back all those memories of the film.
And the dancing and the singing is phenomenal.
And the music was amazing too.
Really funny. I really enjoyed it.
It is honestly incredible. And the set design, the music, everything.
The child catcher was like amazing.
Oh, Charlie Brooks. Oh, she's so fabulous.
I can't get over the little children.
Adam Garcia was amazing in Chitty Chitty Bang Bang. It was brilliant.
Yeah, he was
I
fun.
really
I loved
enjoyed
his
it.
voice,
It was so
yeah.
good.
When the car started flying, it was really cool. It was outstanding. I could not believe it. How you did that was crazy.
And just like the energy by the end and everyone singing along.
It's absolute theatre magic at its best.